Native to Taiwan and Japan, this green superfood is rich with phytonutrients, including amino acids, chlorophyll, beta-carotene, potassium, phosphorus, biotin, magnesium, and the B-complex vitamins. Chlorella's rich green colour comes from a high concentration of chlorophyll, and chlorella is loaded with chlorophyll's benefits. We're told to eat more leafy green vegetables for good health, but sometimes it can be difficult to get the 5 to 7 servings of vegetables a day recommended by nutritionalists and doctors of functional medicine. While juicing is another option, it's simply too time-consuming for most people. Meanwhile, most green leafy vegetables pale in comparison to the benefits that chlorella can provide. By consuming organic, low-temperature extracted chlorella supplements, you can receive all of the chlorella benefits in a simple powder or tablet form. Chlorella is a genus of green algae, found either singly or clustered in fresh or salt water. The whole chlorella plant is used to make nutritional supplements and medicine. The several species of chlorella, with Chlorella vulgaris being one of the most commonly used in supplements. Chlorella algae is a cousin of Spirulina, and we'll compare the nutrients of these later on. Studies have shown that chlorella benefits the entire body by supporting healthy hormonal function, promoting cardiovascular health, helping to negate the effects of chemotherapy and radiation, lowering blood pressure and cholesterol, and aiding in the detoxification of our bodies. Chlorella has also been used to try to treat or prevent conditions like asthma attacks, bad breath, fibromyalgia, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, low vitamin B12 levels, premenstrual syndrome or PMS, and white patches on the genitals called vulvar leukoplakia. Some people also take chlorella to boost energy levels, detoxify the body, and improve mental function. If you've mercury fillings in your teeth, eat fish regularly, or have been exposed to radiation, or consume foods from China, you may have heavy metals lurking in your body. It's important for your overall health and wellness to be proactive in detoxifying heavy metals and toxins. One of chlorella's most significant health benefits is that it wraps itself around even stubborn toxins residing in the body, such as lead, cadmium, mercury, and uranium, and it keeps them from being reabsorbed. Regular consumption of chlorella can even help keep heavy metals from accumulating in our body's soft tissues and organs in the first place. Radiation therapy and chemotherapy are the most common forms of cancer treatment today. Anyone who's gone through either of these treatments, or knows anyone who has, knows what a toll that they can take on the body. Chlorella's high level of chlorophyll has been shown to protect the body against ultraviolet radiation treatments while removing radioactive particles from the body. This is according to researchers from Virginia Commonwealth University Medical College. Cellular components and functions of the immune system remain at or near normal levels and are less adversely affected when patients who are undergoing chemotherapy or taking immunosuppressive medications such as steroids take chlorella. The university's 2-year study allowed researchers to observe that glioma-positive patients have fewer respiratory infections and flu-like illnesses when taking chlorella. Research published in 2012 in the Nutritional Journal found that after 8 weeks of chlorella intake, the NK cell activity improved. Researchers from Yonsei University in Seoul, Korea, studied healthy individuals and their immune system's response to chlorella supplements. The results showed that chlorella supports a healthy immune system response and helps natural killer cell activity. Losing weight can be difficult, especially as we age. In a study that was published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, researchers state that chlorella intake resulted in noticeable reductions in body fat percentage, serum total cholesterol, and fasting blood glucose levels. Chlorella benefits you by helping to regulate hormones, helping with metabolism, improving circulation, and promoting higher levels of energy. It also helps to reduce weight and body fat and removes stored toxins. As our bodies lose weight, toxins are released and can be reabsorbed. It's important to flush these toxins out of the system as quickly as possible. Chlorella's ability to surround the toxins and heavy metal residents in our body helps to facilitate the elimination and to prevent the reabsorption. Research continues to reveal that chlorella may also slow the aging process, making you look younger. A study that was published in the journal Clinical Laboratory revealed that chlorella greatly reduces oxidative stress that can be caused from pollution, stress, or a poor diet. The reason that chlorella is so effective at giving you younger looking skin is because it naturally increases levels of vitamin A, vitamin C, and glutathione in your body, and these eliminate free radicals and they protect your cells. By just taking 1 teaspoon or a couple of capsules per day of a chlorella supplement, you may see results in as little as 2 weeks. It's believed that all human bodies at some time develop cancer cells. Properly functioning immune systems have the ability to attack and destroy these cells before they have a chance to take hold and create cancer. A recent medical study found that chlorella helps to fight cancer cells in several ways. First, when taken preemptively, it strengthens the immune system so our bodies respond properly. Second, because it removes heavy metals and toxins from our body, we're less likely to get environmentally based cancers. And studies have shown that individuals once diagnosed with cancer, that chlorella enhances the action of T cells, helping to fight new abnormal cell growth. If a cancer is diagnosed and chemotherapy or radiation is used, chlorella can also help to fight the side effects, and it can be used in addition to natural cancer treatments. Type 2 diabetes and high cholesterol are 2 types of serious chronic conditions facing many Americans today. Years of improper eating, stress, and a lack of sleep have led many to one or both of these diagnoses. In a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, researchers found that doses of 8 grams of chlorella per day, divided into 2 doses, helps to lower cholesterol and blood glucose levels. The researchers observed first there was a decline in cholesterol level and then an improvement in blood glucose. They believe that chlorella activates a number of genes at the cellular level that improve insulin sensitivity, encouraging a healthy balance. Chlorella is one of the most nutrient-dense superfoods in the world. 3 tablets of chlorella contain around 10 calories, 2 grams of protein, 0 grams of fat, 1 gram of carbohydrate, 0 milligrams of sodium, 78 milligrams of vitamin C, 3,000 international units of vitamin A, and 6.3 milligrams of iron. In addition, chlorella's nutrition also contains a good amount of vitamin K, vitamin B1, vitamin B6, and phosphorus. When you look at its nutrient density score, it's easy to see why chlorella is ranked one of the top 10 healthy foods in the world. It's more nutrient dense per gram than other greens, including kale, spinach, and broccoli. With the impressive mix of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytonutrients, chlorella is used as a supplement and a remedy by many practitioners of traditional medicine. With its high chlorophyll content, it's often employed for anti-inflammatory related conditions, as well as its detoxifying and renewing benefits. In traditional Chinese medicine, chlorella is said to provide yin energy. This means it's very helpful to an overstimulated or imbalanced body. It can have a calming effect on the nervous system while nourishing and restoring the body as a whole. In Ayurvedic medicine, chlorella is believed to supply ojas, which is vitality or life force, to people who feel run down or who could use an extra boost to their already positive state of health. While most people may not have heard of chlorella, many people have been taking spirulina for years. They're both waterborne organisms, but at a cellular level they're quite different. Spirulina is a spiral-shaped, multi-cell plant with no true nucleus. It's blue-green in hue and can grow up to 100 times the size of chlorella. Comparably, chlorella is a spherical-shaped, single-celled microorganism with a nucleus and is a solid green color. Chlorophyll is the green pigment found in both spirulina and chlorella and all green plants. While chlorophyll is completely natural, a similar semi-synthetic mixture called chlorophyllin is made in laboratories to be used in supplements such as those marketed as liquid chlorophyll. Green algae, like chlorella, is often used to make this chlorophyllin. Spirulina can be used and consumed in supplements right after harvest, but chlorella has to go through processing to break its cellular walls to enable the absorption of its benefits by the users. Chlorella is said to be higher in chlorophyll, maybe even double the amount than spirulina, while spirulina is typically higher in protein, iron, and gamma-linoleic acid. The benefits of chlorella and spirulina are very similar because both have a concentrated balance of nutrients shown to help cleanse and detoxify the body, and a high concentration of protein that supports energy and clarity. Chlorophyll's known benefits for liver detoxification, skin protection, and improved digestion are very similar, which isn't surprising since chlorophyll is a star ingredient of both spirulina and chlorella, and is behind most of its benefits. Chlorella and spirulina nutritionally both contain additional nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, and B vitamins. Spirulina has even been used in the World Health Organization's feeding programs for malnourished children in underdeveloped countries. A single 1-gram dose of spirulina powder a day can counteract a vitamin A deficiency that can lead to blindness. Chlorophyll, spirulina, and chlorella supplements are all available in powder, tablet, or liquid form. Depending on your health goals and what other supplements you're taking, one of these supplements may appeal to you more than the others. When taking a chlorella supplement, there's two main ways to consume it. In a smoothie, but chlorella has a very strong taste, or in tablets, simply by taking 3 to 6 tablets of chlorella with 8 ounces of water 1 to 3 times per day. In addition, the following dose has been studied in scientific research. For iron deficiency during pregnancy, 2 grams of chlorella 3 times daily for 12 to the 18th week of gestation until delivery. Studies suggest that chlorella is safe when taken by mouth for short amounts of time, up to 2 months. Chlorella powder and other chlorella supplements can cause side effects in some individuals, like swelling of the face or tongue and sensitivity to sunlight, digestive upset, acne, fatigue, tiredness, headache, vertigo, and shaking. The majority of the chlorella side effects are symptoms that are typical of any detoxification program. Chlorella may also cause green coloured stools. Other Chlorella Dangers include potential allergic reactions. Seek emergency medical attention if you experience severe breathing problems or a life-threatening allergic reaction called anaphylaxis after taking chlorella or any other supplement. Chlorella supplements often contain iodine, so individuals that are allergic to iodine or who are watching their iodine intake should be aware of this. People that are being treated for a medical condition or who are currently taking any type of medication should check with their doctor before taking chlorella. Chlorella is known to interact with immune-suppressing drugs also and blood thinners like warfarin.